What's up guys and welcome on Python tutorial. Today we will learn base of Python. Remember best tutorials on W3 School website, link will be in descriptions. Let's take a tea and let's get started. Let's start from homework which I give to you in last C++ video tutorial. In result, I am sorry, but I forgot do it on video. Okay, let's talk about your homework. Your homework is, create input with any question, enter number, check your number for 0, if it's print something, else print numbers from 1 to entered number. Answer for homework will be in next video. Say in comments do you want part 2, and do you like types of videos like this one. Okay, that's it for today, thanks for watching, bye. So let's do it quickly. First what we needed is includes. Let's include base libraries, windows.h, iostream and conio.h. I think it will be enough to finish this homework. Also we need to add using namespace std, and int main function to start. If you also want to learn C++ with me you can go in my YouTube profile, and find C++ tutorial, or you can click on link which will be in descriptions. Okay, let's add some variables and input to enter a number. Then we should check if this number equal to 0, if it is print your number 0, else do our following logic. This mean if number not equal to 0 we need by for or by while method print numbers to our entered number. Example, if we enter 5 we will print numbers from 0 to 5. I will do both methods for you. I will do it with for method and while method. This methods will have same logic and give absolutely same output. You can also type in comments, if you like this video, and if you want a part 2, let's reach at least 10 likes on this video, and I will create some video about cybersecurity. Let's test what we get right now. Let's enter 7. How you can see we have output from 0 to 7. Also if we enter 0 we will print your number 0, everything working perfectly. Let's move on and start our Python tutorial. Okay, we finally finish our C++ homework. Now we can start from Python tutorial. If you have some questions about homework or Python tutorial you can type some comments for me. I always check any comment. I will gladly to help you with anything. Okay, now is time for Python tutorial. First what you should know is imports. It is absolutely same with includes in C++. In Python you have two ways to use it. You can use it like a import OS, or from OS import system. You will understand difference between these two ways of imports later. For now you should know what mean and how to use comments and functions. Python have two types of comments, it is big comment and small comment. To use small comment just write hashtag, for big comment write quote 3 times to open and 3 times to close. To create function write def with name and brackets with colon in the end. Also you should call this function to work somewhere. I will call it in the bottom of my script. I guess you saw I wrote in my function print function. I think everyone know this thing only for print text. But I also want to add their getch. If you don't know what it is for waiting for a key before program will close. How you can see now I get error because we didn't import getch from MSVCRT library. To import it just hover getch, then you will see show potential fixes, click on it, and click on option from MSVCRT import getch. Congratulations, you solved this problem by yourself. Now we can create input. To create input in Python you should create a variable which will equal to input. In input you can create some questions if you want to, then after entered text or number you can do whatever you want. For example entered variable plus something or print text with variable whatever you want, but for tutorial I will do same things which was on C++ homework. Also Python have one very good thing, when you create variable, Python automatically define type of variable. When in C++ you should define variable by yourself. Python do it automatically. If you don't know what mean type of variable, here is explanation. Every variable have own type. Most popular there is string for text, int for integers numbers and float for float numbers. Let's continue do our logic. Let's create if function which will check our input. If input equal to 0 we print your number 0 and wait for a key, else if input not equal to 0 we will do following logic. Print numbers from 0 to input number by for method and while method. Also one very important thing is tabs and spaces. When C++ don't have this rules Python do. What I mean here is if on one line with some code will be little bit on one or more spaces or tabs back, but other code will be on the front, you will get error. Always check for tabs and spaces in Python.
Okay, let's say you turn on your laptop. What do you want to do first? I know your weirdest ideas, but not today. Just go in this folder, open main.exe file. Now you have question what is that? Just log in without any questions, and now you can see best command line in ever. Type their matrix command, and here we go. Cool, right? What? It's not enough for your friend? Whatever, try this one. I guess you saw it in TikTok. Now without any coding, it's right here. I know what you're thinking right now, but let's going on. If it's enough for him, you also can play some games or other kind of stuff. You can enter help command to know all commands which you can use here. Now main question, where can I download it? Simple answer for simple question. Just go in Google and type their oxton.com, website only for laptops. Link will be in comments. There click on skip, and there you can press download button to download this command line on C or on Python, it doesn't matter.
Let's create our for and while method to print numbers from 0 to entered number. For it we should have some logic. Let's create a number which equal to 0, then let's use while method first to do following. While number not equal to entered number, print number. In the end, after printed number, number should increase by 1. Absolutely same method we will use for function. Also remember, what did you learn here? It is not full Python, and not even 1% of Python. Here is only base of it. If you want to continue to learn Python or C++ with me, just say it in comments. Also, I need some ideas what to do next. It will be nice if you would share some ideas with me. Let's test what we get right now. How you can see when I enter 3 by while and by for method, we get same right output. We get printed numbers from 0 to 3. Also, if we will enter 0, we will print texture number is 0. Everything working perfectly. Okay, I think that's for today. I wish this tutorial was helpful and useful for you to understand Python more with me. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to say all your ideas about next video in comments. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.